Nothing Phone 2 versus OnePlus Nord 4, best budget phone in 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing two of the hottest budget-friendly phones of 2025, the Nothing Phone 2 and the OnePlus Nord 4. Let's see which one delivers the best bang for your buck. The Nothing Phone 2 stands out with its unique Glyph interface. Those customizable LED lights on the back add both style and functionality. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, it handles daily tasks and gaming effortlessly. Its 6.7-inch OLED display supports 120 Hz, offering smooth visuals, while the dual camera system with 50 megapixel sensors ensures excellent photo quality. Plus, nothing's clean. Minimalist software provides a near-stock Android experience. On the flip side, the OnePlus Nord 4 is no slouch. Featuring the Dimensity 8200 processor, it delivers superb performance for its price. Its 6.8-inch AMOLED display also boasts 120 Hz, and the triple camera setup includes a 64 megapixel main sensor, which excels in low-light photography. The Nord 4 shines with its 80-watt SuperVOOC charging, getting you from 0 to full in no time. And OnePlus's OxygenOS offers a smooth and customizable user experience. So, which is the better budget contender? Do you prefer the Nothing Phone 2 for its bold design and clean software? Or does the OnePlus Nord 4 win with its blazing fast charging and versatile cameras? Let us know your pick in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.